this. I can't wait for when that comes in, her and be like, "What's this?" I say, "My auntie."
Auntie who?
Monique did it.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today you guys, I'm back with another banger. So today you guys, as y'all can see, I got another phone case. This is an iPhone 11, you guys. This is also a pre-made case that will be going up on the site if it ain't bought at the pop-up shop. But I had to make more I don't want to say content, but I had to make more items for the website because the sister ran out 11 cases. So I will be restocked in the next couple of days. I didn't make that many, you guys. I only made like 4 or maybe 5. So make sure y'all get them, because once they're going, they are going to be going, you guys. Of course, until I make a new batch, which is probably going to take me some time because the sister is homeschooling and all this other crazy stuff right now. But anywho, let's just get the blinging. Okay, you guys, I'm sorry if the camera is shaking. I got an extra low today. I don't know why I got it like this, but oh, because it's about to fall off. Oh my gosh. So let me hurry up and do this. All right, let me I'm wondering why it's like that, because it's about to fall. Okay, let me hurry up and do this real quick. And then it looked like, all right, let me move this out the way. Okay. Okay, you guys, so far not looking bad at all. I just want to go in. I do want to put some rhinestones around the heart, and then I'm gonna go in and try to fill them gaps as the best way that I can. So yeah, you guys, don't forget to like this video, make sure that you subscribe and turn on post notifications so y'all can be notified every time I upload a banger, because y'all don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye bye.